Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this Honda Accord Hybrid 2024, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do the oil change. Let's get started. So we come underneath the car, and here we're gonna take off this protector. We're gonna need a star screwdriver and take all the bolts along the edge. Here we have the oil filter and the drain plug right here. Get your container ready to collect the used oil. And right here on the oil pan, you see that it says engine oil. So we're gonna take off this bolt. This is a socket wrench number 17. So now we're gonna do a tiny hole on the oil filter to drain it off before taking it off. So when we take off the filter, it's going to be empty and we're not going to spill too much oil everywhere. Keep the work clean. We have our 0W20 engine oil, and we have the engine oil filter. This is the reference M1 110A. Let's install the oil filter. Okay, perfect. It's been dripping for around an hour. Let's put back the bolt, the drain plug. Now I'm gonna tie it. This is aluminum, so be gently when tightening it. Now we can put back the cover. We just insert it here above this plastic part right here, and then right here on the back we attach these guides right here, the first one, and on this side the second one. So now we just take the bolts, secure in place. Now let's put all the bolts around. Now we're gonna reset the engine oil life. You gotta turn on the car. Okay. Now let's go to home. Go to vehicle settings. Now just scroll down until it says maintenance info. And then we select reset items and we click on engine oil. Reset. Settings have been reset. As we see, oil life is 100%. We're all set. This is how you change the oil in this Honda Accord 2024. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. As always, guys, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.